plants will face. So next time, when you're about to throw away something, think whether you can reduce, reuse, or recycle it instead.
Second, volunteer. Another great way to make a difference is by volunteering. Whether it's participating in cleanups in your community or getting involved in protecting your local watershed. Volunteering is a hands-on way to help us protect the earth.
Third, education is key. By furthering your own knowledge about environmental issues, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resources. So, read up, attend workshops, and spread the word.
Fourth, conserve water. Let's not forget about water conservation. The less water we use, the less runoff and wastewater end up polluting our oceans. So, be mindful of your water usage and look for ways to conserve whenever possible.
Last but not the least, shopping wisely can make a big difference. Optional for products with minimal packaging. Buy with bulk to reduce waste, and don't forget to bring your usable shopping bags. Every little bit helps.
Number 6, conservation. One key approach is conservation. This involves implementing laws and policies to preserve ecosystems and wildlife habitats. By protecting these precious areas, we can safeguard biodiversity for future generations.
Number 7, sustainable practices. Sustainable practices are crucial. This means using resources efficiently, reducing waste, and promoting renewable energy resources. By embracing sustainability, we can minimize our impact on the environment while meeting our aims.
Of course, education and awareness play a vital role as well. By educating communities about the importance of preserving natural resources and promoting environmentally friendly behaviors, we can inspire positive change on a larger scale.
Number 9, collaboration. Collaboration is key to success by working together with governments, organizations, and communities. We can develop and implement effective conversation strategies that address complex environmental challenges. Number 10, research and innovation. Last but certainly not the least, research and innovation drive progress. By investing in research and technology, we can discover new ways to protect and sustainably manage natural resources, ensuring a brighter future for our planet.
And there you have it, folks, the 10 simple things you can do to help protect the earth, along with some water strategies for conservation. Remember, every action, big or small, makes a difference. So let's all do our part and preserve and protect this beautiful planet we call home. Thanks for tuning in!